Hello there, I am Tudus Tuzarun. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Here is the last topic for Unit 2 of Grade 10 textbook, which is 27 Internet Protocol. There are four fundamental elements are needed to establish a network: hardware, software, protocol, and connection media are the four basic and fundamental elements that establish a network. Therefore, Internet Protocol is the most important part of a network. They have their own contribution. All the elements will also plays a major role in the establishment of a network. The Internet Protocol is the principal communications protocol internetworking, it says. This is the principal communication protocol in Internet. It would not be exaggeration to say that you cannot comprehend modern network without a good understanding of IP. It's not possible to control a network without having the Internet protocol. Again, we must have also this Internet protocol. Must have not only a theoretical skill, must have at the time using digital devices increasing or doubling, that we have to have also a practical knowledge of using IP address. An IP address, it is a unique address. It is a unique address that identifies a device on the internet or local area network. In a local area network, when you connect the computers with using an intermediate device, the intermediate device, like a switch, is an intelligent device that gives automatically or assigns a physical address or IP address. A switch is an intermediate device which uses table to prepare physical address or IP address. And every computer has a unique address. For instance, in a particular class, two students may have the same name but not a roll number. They can identify by a roll number. The same to here in a network. The IP address is a unique address that helps us to identify one computer to the other. That when we want to send a message to a particular computer, we address to that system particularly. As it is described earlier, IP stands for Internet Protocol. IP means standard, which is the set of rules governing the format of data sent via the Internet or local area network. When we use a network, it can be local area network, wide area network, which is an internet. When we connect computers over a switch, in case of local area network, and computers, when we connect any in the device, it can be our mobile phone to the router. When we use Wi-Fi technology, they have IP addresses. The devices can get automatically IP address. In a sense, IP addresses are the identifier that allows information to be sent between devices on a network. They contain location information and make device accessible for communication. For instance, we have four computers in a network. How can we send a message from PC1 to PC4? We must have this IP address to address a message to that particular computer. How can we get? When we connect to the switch gives this physical address. The same too in case of internet, the router gives the physical address. The internet needs a way to differentiate among different computers, routers, websites. The internet needs a way to differentiate among different computers, routers, and websites. IP addresses provide a way of doing so and form an essential part of how internet works. It's not possible to think about the IP address. When we think about a network, when we think about the internet, always we have an internet protocol. Every device has an internet protocol that gets automatically from the switch or router. The IP address has two fundamental versions, IP4 and IP6. The Internet Protocol version 4 is a common version that can be used in current networks and address a 32-bit integer that can be expressed in hexadecimal notation. 32-bit means there are 4 places separated by dot. Every of the decimal consists of 8 bits to the power of I mean 8 times 4 is 32. The most common format known as dotted code or dotted decimal, which is x, 4 dots are separate these x's. Therefore, each of the x represents 80 bits. Adding the 4 8's, it gives us a 30-bit integer. It says the others are 30-bit integers, where each x can be any value between 0 and 255. For example, this is a valid IP address because 192 is between 0 and 255. 0 is between this number, again including the 0. 2 is between this number, and 146 is between the range of this number. That it is a valid IP for address. 128.11.3.31. This 128, it is a binary. When we represent, it's a decimal, dot decimals. When we change into binary, when we divide into 2, we get this number. And 11 is when we divide 11 into 2, and when we store the remainder, we get this. For instance, 1 represents the 1 place, 1 is a tens place, in this case 2's place, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1, here is to the power of 0, 1, 2, 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 8 plus 3 is 11. Here is 1's place, tens place means the base is 2, binary, therefore 2 times 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. To the power of 0, any number with the power of 0 is 1. To the power of 0, to the power of 1, to the power of 2, to the power of, it continues like this. To the power of 0 is 1, plus to the power of 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. The same to here. Or we can divide by 2 and we can store the remainders. And the same to hexadecimals, it will be divided into 4 places and it will be changed into hexadecimal. A represents 10, B is 11, like that. Classes of IP address. When internet addresses were standardized in the early 1980s, which is the starting of the modern graphical user interface or Windows operating system, and network is started in the 4th generation. In early 1980s, the internet address space was divided into classes. For instance, when you think about the internet, according to Ethiopia calendar, it is started in 1989. The TCP/IP defines 5 classes of IP addresses. Class A, B, C, D, and H. Each class has a range of valid IPs. For instance, class A with 3 hosts. Every of host decimal consists of 8 bits. 3 hosts give us 24. Here is 2 hosts, 16. 1 host only, 8 bits. The other is not for network. Class A for network, the 3 are hosts. Class B, 1 network, the other 2 hosts. 1 network. Class C, only 1 host. Class of IP address. IP addresses from the first 3 classes A, B, and C can be used for host addresses. The other 2 classes are used for other purposes. Class D is used for multicast and Class E is for experimental. D is used for multicast and E is for experimental purpose. The system of IP address class was developed for internet assessment. The class created for here. A class, for example, a small number of network with a very large number. C. Class C is created for numerous networks. Class A, the first octet is the network portion. As you have seen, the network portion. Then octets 2, 3, and 4 are for subnet or hosts. It starts with 0. Class B, the first 2 octets are the network portion. 3 and 4 are subnet, therefore starts with 1O. Class C, the first 3 octets. The first 3 octets are the network portion. The last one is only for host. It starts with 110. Here as you have in the order bit 0, it starts with 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. In case of octet, 0 up to 127 for class A. Class B is 128. If it starts with the network portion 192, we say it class C. Therefore, here, as you have seen before as an example, 192, it is class C. First octet address range says the first octet address range 100, it is class C. The number of network addresses bits are 24 in class C. Network masks. A network mask distinguishes which portion of the address identifies the network and which portion identifies the node. Which portion of the address identifies the network and which portion identifies the node or the user or the host. Therefore, in case of class A, only the first portion is network, that the others are host 255. The second, class B, two portions for network, that the class B is subnet mask here, and class C is the three are network portions, and the other is host 0. 0 is for host, and automatically the system identifies. Therefore, the same to here. This 192, it is class C. For class C subnet mask, the computer automatically detects 255 this subnet mask. How can we see such masks? Just using command prompt. If you have a network CMD, command prompt, then type ipconfig. If your computer or device have an internet or network connection, type ipconfig. IP internet protocol config. Then enter. It displays, when you press the enter key, it displays the IP address of your computer system and subnet mask. It is mostly, if it starts from 192, it is under class C. For today it's enough. Thank you. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel.